friends, Vern, jack of all trade, master of none. We're going to cut a couple of these slats from the 2-inch faux wood blind picked up at Home Depot. Okay? And so we're going to shorten the blind. So let's begin. I've kind of done some prep work. Okay, I opened up the blinds. Well, I hung the blinds, I opened up the blinds, and then I've opened them so that they're all running parallel to each other. Now I'm going to start cutting. I already have figured out that I need to remove 8 of these because I'm taking into consideration this bottom piece. So when this falls as far as I want it to, it's going to take up these, looks like 1 inch. So I measured everything out already where I want it. So 8 of these have to go. So I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can start snapping. I'm being careful. Actually, you might want to use a pair of scissors so that you don't mistakenly break that one above. Let me get some scissors. Okay, got it. So this is the one. And be careful not to cut these strings, especially the middle string. That middle string is connected to a wounded up mechanical piece. And if you cut this middle string, the game is over. You're gonna need to get a new blind. So being careful not to get near that middle string. I'm gonna cut. Then once I've cut, I'll break the other one if I can. Just being careful not to touch any of the above, because I don't want to damage those. Come over to the other side. Same thing, cut. Don't damage the string. And then we'll bend it and pull it out. Okay, so now from here, we can break them off because now we've given ourselves enough wiggle room. Well, not quite. Let's do one more. Then we should have enough wiggle room to break the rest of them off. Very careful. Okay, now I have enough room to just break the rest of them out. It's pretty easy. Okay. Okay, so now we can cut these. Let's see if you can see here or here. Actually over here. These things that look like ladders, we're gonna cut them. Careful not to cut that middle cord that I told you about before. Don't cut that one. So leave one, skip one from the top, leave that one in place, and cut the rest. Take your time so you don't make any mistakes and cut the wrong thing. Cut them all the way down. Okay, and then we cut the rest. Then we go to the next one, same thing, skip one, start cutting. This one doesn't have any middle, so you don't have to worry about that piece that has the spring attached to it when you're doing the the center. I don't know if you have a bigger blind unit, maybe it does have a string in the middle. You'll have to determine that, because maybe it's needed for to support the weight, the extra weight. All right, and then we'll look underneath here and cut the last one. Same thing, remembering to skip one and then start working your way down. Being careful. So pull out this piece and make sure that you got everything. Okay. Okay. I think I missed one. Ooh. Got too close to that middle. Keep yourself a safe distance from that middle rung or you're going to be in trouble. Okay. So we got them all cut now. Okay. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can start to wind the blind up to where we want it. And every situation is different. Mine is a little bit more difficult for me because of the setup that I have here. So for me, I want it about there. I actually want a little bit lower, but at this point, we'll just cut. We'll leave about 2 inches space, and then we'll cut. And then we'll tuck that excess back into these holes underneath here. See? So let me cut. And same thing here in the middle, 2 inches. 1, 2, roughly 2 inches. You don't have to measure it out. Cut the excess in the middle. For the middle. 1, 2. Cut. Okay, so now nothing to do but to twist these and put these plugs back in. I don't think you got a chance to see the part where I took these plugs out. I'll go back and I'll do one so that you can see, but it's pretty easy. So we'll twist these together. So we'll just shove them in the hole. And just push this back in, like so. And we'll repeat, same process. Just go ahead and close it up. Okay, that was kind of rough. Okay, here we go. Now, that's all there is to it. Okay, that's it, folks. I didn't get to show you this part, so let me see if I can show you here. These little buttons at the bottom of the blind, you have to take something, push it in here, and just pry it out, and they'll pop right out. Okay, so you want to do that. I've done it as my first step, and I kind of went through it too quick, so I'm doubling back just to show you. You'll pop all 3 of them out. 1, 2, 3. Okay? You'll pop those out after you get your slats out. Slats out, blind extended, slats out, then you'll pop those out. Okay? Okay, thanks guys. Vern, Jack of all trades, master of none. Subscribe if you found this information helpful. I'll be releasing other videos as we do other things. Okay? Like, comment, share, subscribe.